Hey guys, welcome to Awesome Enterprise video tutorials. In this video, we will learn the concept of output handler. The output handlers are basically used to store the data into a variable. This is managed by using the O dot set, or we have other output handlers that will help us to manage the output. So let's create one example. We have three variables. One is string and others are array. Now let's check the output. This is the variable. These are two array. In this we have three elements and we have two elements in this new array. We are creating one example of O dot set output handler. We are fetching this value strA and assign this value to another variable using O dot set. Now let's get the value module dot get str a and set this value O dot set into module dot str a. Now let's go back and check. You can see str b, so the variable name should be different. So you can see the strb variable is created with value of str a. Now this is what the O dot set is used to store the value. Now let's create one more example. Let's say we have one function. It contains the HTML. Let's create one sample HTML h1. Let's say example, and now you can call this here templates dot the function name sample HTML. Now you can see the output directly, that is example. I made a spelling mistake. Now let's check this one example. This is directly print. Now what we will do, we will set or we will assign this output in this variable by using O dot set module dot HTML. You can give any name to this variable. Now let's check. The new variable is created HTML and we have the HTML text which is stored in this variable. Now similarly we have o.echo, o.console and o.log. These output handlers help us to manage or to debug our code. Whenever you want to debug or you want to check the value of this variable, you can use any of this o.echo, o.console or o.log. So o.log will also help you to store the variable value into a file, and the destroy o.destroy will vanish the value of this variable. But the value of the variable will not be vanished permanently, it is vanished for this scope. So let's go back and check. So we have this output. We are used o.echo, o.console, o.log and o.log we using the HTML that we are storing the output into HTML file. And now let's check the o.destroy. The o.destroy vanished the value of this variable, but it is not vanishing permanently. As the result, it is available in the module level. So let's check one more handler, that is o.merge with. So we have two array, that is new array and ARR set. So we are merging this value, this two array inside ARR set. Now let's check. Now before refresh, you can see there are three elements, and in this there are two elements. Now let's check this. Now you can see the ARR set is now having a 5 element. So this is how the O dot merge with works. Now one more feature that is used to stop the execution of your code, that is O dot exit and O dot die, that will help you to dump the output and exit from your code execution. Now let's check. This will dump our array and just simply return back and the execution. Now refresh the code. Now you can see you have not get this output or this text, because this after this execution the code is got exited. Now let's comment this one, and now let's check the die as well. O dot die. Now you can see we have the dump of this array, and this array is shuffled because we have modifying this array. This modifiers we will explain, or we will talk about this in upcoming videos. So this is how the O dot die works. This is dump the output and simply die. This is what the output handler work with O dot set, O dot echo, O dot console, O dot log and O dot destroy.